Aloha, my name is Paulina. I'm a yoga teacher, astrologer, artist, freelancer living on Maui, Hawaii, here to share my brief and amazing experience with Cacique Academy's brand target and launch course online. I've been building an Instagram platform for a few years now that's been growing slowly over time, now more exponentially thanks to the Academy, but I'm at a micro following of 28,000. You can find me there at Paulina Prana and online on my website, paulinaprana.com. But through Cacique Academy, I've learned how to brand my platform, how to brand my highlights, how to create more professional stories, how to create a more professional layout when I'm posting on my Instagram page, how to make it aesthetic, how to make it more engaging. I've learned so many tools, and also the tools that are outside of Instagram that go hand in hand with creating a more stable foundation for that platform. My website, also learning how to build a website myself. I got to have the women from Lemonade Hype, from Andrea Sanchez is the founder of Lemonade Hype and Cacique Academy's course. She was the one that built my website, and I now learned how to refine and add on to the website and go in and make changes and personalize and update the website. So learning how to create from scratch a website, a personal Instagram platform, and then adding on the tools that I didn't already have, which were like Twitter, a Facebook page, how to do Facebook promotions, and how to just fully expand on the digital arena. It's such an interesting algorithm and such a competitive thing if you don't know how to use it properly, and professionally. So I've harnessed and gained so much knowledge and awareness, really, of how to use these tools to share my message and share my truth and speak my voice and fully step into the individualistic freelancer that I've always dreamed of being, so that I can work from home for myself and with myself. So I highly recommend anyone who's willing and open to experiencing that freelance opportunity of working from home and creating your own brand, your own company, to fully engage with this course. It's been life-changing for me, and the women behind the program are so amazing and helpful and knowledgeable and inspiring. So I highly recommend checking it out, diving in. It's been so great, and it's such an honor to be a continual part of the community where we can share and communicate and share advice and inspiration with one another. So the Cacique Academy has been more than just an experience of learning things. It's been a full spectrum experience of building community and continuously being inspired by the other attendees or students in the group as well.